Hello, 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 and thank you all for joining me today for another infamous mobile detailing project. So today we had a shed, which seems like it should be a pretty easy gig, correct? So I went to Home Depot and I got a pump sprayer because I felt like I didn't feel like doing the downstream and stuff today on this little small building. So I sprayed it, and yeah, of course, I had spray back once again because of the wind. So I had little speckles of SH all over my jacket again, and it's okay. This jacket is made, for this, I guess. But as you see from the last project, I have war wounds now, but it's all good. It's cool. So I know from this point on, I should go get me some rubber or some polyester or something that doesn't get affected by the bleach, which is cool. There's no problem. I have no problem with it. I just, kind of just keep everything low budget. Everything's low price. Once again, let me explain to you guys what I'm doing. I'm doing pressure washing now. I'm a filmmaker by trade, and I just need something to do in the downtimes to bring in extra money. So I started a pressure washing company. Now with this, I went and bought a $100 pressure washer online, secondhand, and I've been collecting pieces to this um, puzzle, if you want to say, secondhand. I've been spending a lot of money to get this business started off. So once again, I'm spraying down the building with the special compound that I have. And shout out to Freddie Pressure on YouTube. He had a video about using that good old Fabuloso. And my man, the Fabuloso works. I mean, you could not smell the chemical like I was bugging. I mean, you can smell a little, but I mean, for the most part, it smelled like Loso out there. It was pretty good, nice and fruity. But yeah, so anyway, that was mainly for the client, to keep them from worrying about things. So what I sprayed the building down. So I got out there. It was very caked up on this one side right here, as you see. A lot of moss and fungus and nasty stuff. So right here, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax, I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and I just got kind of impatient, and I decided to go ahead and start, spraying stuff off because I wanted to make this a quick gig and it won't be out there forever. So I was using the white tip. I switched to the blue tip, and pink tip are second story tips, and I just happened to switch the tips simply because I just felt like speeding the job up. Now this tip is not going to damage this. This building was aluminum, metal. It's not going to damage anything. It's not going to strip the paint. When I was getting close to it, I was actually taking steps back to compensate for the pressure. I'm going back between the blue and the white tip on this one. The blue tip is to break stuff up. The white tip I would come through and wash everything down. Now this building had moss and things on it, as you saw, but if you get closer, there's also some sort of little type of eggs all over the darn shit. Man. So I ended up using my glove to, my finger basically, to break down a lot of those little eggs, just scratching on my finger and then coming back and washing it off. The guy next door was pretty cool. We were out there doing some work when we pulled up. He ended up saying that he had a boat right there, as you can see, peeking through the frame, that he wanted to get done and possibly a house wash. And we'll follow up with him. And you might see this on the channel. But, yeah. That's my car show. How long do I have a car show? Low budget, everything. So right here, I'm not that tall. I'm about 5'8", 5'9". Decided I was going to start doing this top. And I was going to break up a lot of this fungus over there. As you see, the stuff is breaking up. And that's due to the chemical that we use to break this stuff up. Unfortunately, it didn't just wash off. I mean, it probably would have over to sit longer. But I didn't, I was trying to, so I just wanted to apply a little bit of pressure to knock the stuff off. And that's it, really. do a light spray of mist towards the boat and towards the windows of the truck just to make sure that my spray off isn't doing stuff. But it definitely works. Same time, if you've made it this far, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click that bell right there beside subscribe so you can stay posted about anything I have going on. Right here, I'm taller than me. He's able to reach the top of the building. Once again, we're not using ladders or anything like that. He probably just sacrificed his hoodie because the chemical was need a new pressure washer hose. If your hose is leaking, it's probably an O-ring which is missing. Mine is leaking right where the gun connects to the hose. So I just used some of my filmmaking gaff tape to cover it up and make the water run down. And I'm not gonna lie, in between shooting with the gun, I did have water running all up my shoulder and going down my back. Like one time, I noticed it was a little crap. But yeah, so you see I sprayed stuff off just to make sure I didn't get any of my product on his investment over there. Right here is pretty much the same. Pretty much just me getting the rest of these little eggs and stuff off the building. These eggs were very stuck. They were stuck to the building. I had to use my nail within my glove to really kind of knock them down. The pressure washer would take some of them off once I got closer with the white tip. I wouldn't use the blue tip too close. But it worked. Shed's looking good, 95% better. Never 100%. But just make sure I got the back of the building. Vegetation. Surprisingly, didn't have a lot of moss or fungus or anything growing on it. I was highly surprised. Once again, this is me just spraying things down to make sure I get the rest of the people off. We want to leave any of that up there. Just a bit of sun in here and bacon and everything. This stuff off. It's clean dirt. This is pretty much it. Once again, if you made it this far, go ahead and click that subscribe. At the same time, go ahead and click that bell. Stay in tune with what we have coming next. Things are growing over here for you. This is mobile and pressure washing. And I thank you guys for watching and staying tuned with us today. And I hope you guys enjoy my video.